Here she comes.
Okay,
Here
Bruce.
she comes.
Okay, sounds good.
We're CMC.
Okay, stand by. 02.
Okay, we're CMC control.
Mark, go 5G.
Mark, go 5G.
32, okay, I started it.
You got the light?
No, I started it though.
EMS 05G roll.
I've got him.
Okay, you got the 05G EMS roll switch?
That's right, CMC and rate command. Okay,
Okay,
passing 1G.
Okay, 1.4.
Okay, passing 2Gs.
2. 2.4. 2.8.
Passing 3Gs.
3.2.
Passing 4Gs.
3.7. That's good. 4.2.
Passing 5Gs.
4.7. 5.2.
5.
5.5. Okay.
6.
5.8.
Looking good.
6.3.
Okay.
6.6. Very good. 6.7.
It's steady.
That should be it. 6.7.5.
Okay.
Coming back off. 6.7.
Okay, watch for a roll.
Okay. There, we're starting to roll.
It's command and a roll.
Starting to roll.
Okay. G's are coming off. Peak G checked well.
Yep. And it wants 180.
Okay, we're at 180. It's following.
Very good. 4G, how do you look?
I'm steady 4.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Steady 4G.
Beautiful.
On 2 count.
Okay. $140 what? Plus 140. Plus 96.
Good show.
Plus 0.
Good show. Good roll. We're past V-cert.
Okay. And 1-0 roll. Zero roll.
And it's your duck in there.
Yeah.
Come on. It's got to stay up or we're going to be short.
0 roll.
It's getting its potential back.
Okay.
Let's check velocity if you can reach it.
Okay.
Now.
We're 16. Down 74. Enter. 21,340.
Okay, I'll give you.
21,140. Give me a mark.
Hey, you give me a mark on, because yours is computing.
Okay, 26. 24.
Okay, we're good. You can go back.
23.
Go back to a normal display. It's commanding 60 degrees.
Okay, 63.
And it's got 60.
Okay. Is BI look good?
Yes, VI was exact.
Okay, great. 70 plus 72.
Okay, it's got its potential back now.
Plus 75. Plus
Okay.
76.
Okay,
Okay, over the top.
it's coming over.
Minus 80. Minus 80. 83.
It's following.
Minus 90. Minus 88.
Okay, we should be in the blackout. There's 335.
Okay.
We still don't have signal strength.
Okay, we're showing about 400 on the EMS roll. It's
Okay, minus 80. Minus 78.
and it's flying it. Okay, potential's bleeding off.
Minus 66.
Okay, that's good. It's bringing it up.
Minus 64.
Okay. It's showing it out. We're probably going to go back in for about 3 Gs here.
Minus 58. Minus 49.
Okay.
Minus 38. Houston, Apollo 14, how do you read?
No signal strength out.
Okay.
Okay.
There it goes. There's the
And there
drogue.
goes the drogue.
Drogues are out.
Hey, beautiful.
Thank you, Bruce.
Thanks a lot, Bruce.
Little, fine job.
Okay, what's the checklist say? Ed, what's the checklist say?
Okay, we're just waiting for mains. Stand by.
Okay.
Cabin press is going up. Wait for mains at 10K.
Okay, you're passing 14. 13.
I'm watching your pressure. It's confirming. Cabin press is confirming.
Passing 12.
No too slow high. Ignore it.
No sweat.
Okay, we're about 12,000.
We're passing 11. And there go the drogues. And the mains are out 3. Oh, we got all 3.
Got all 3. They look great.
We got 3 beauties.
Look great.
They're de-reefed.
The day reef, oh boy, that's marvelous.
Okay, we got 3 good ones. Oh,
Okay.
look at that. Beautiful. Okay, stay on the checklist. We're passing
Now
8.
get rid of this camera.